Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for WingNut in Pennsylvania on a Stryker SR-655HP. WingNut, I got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, and the ERF 2030 Plus MOSFET upgrade. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Got you about 2 watts all the way down. That way you got full adjustability if you decide to run a 4-pill or something with it. 20 watts all the way up. And I'm going to show you average power swing. Oh, 50 watt slug in the corner. Let's flip this over to average. We got a 250 watt slug in here right now. Hello. That's hitting about 70 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Low, about 120 PEP. Alright, WingNut is ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bye-bye.